everyone, today I will introduce other remote operation modes of PROWAVE. In addition to controlling by the LCD panel, you can also control the machine by the wire feeder, by the remote controller, or even by the torch. This is the separate wire feeder of the machine, and it has the control panel. You can adjust the current and the arc length of your welding work. The next operation mode is using the remote controller. You can select the different jobs on it, and also adjust the current, the arc length, and the dynamic. Even you can lock the parameters to prevent accidental touch. For PROWAVE, you can use the newest digital tools to adjust the current, the wire feeding speed, and the arc length. And also, you can select different jobs. So with such various operation modes, your welding work will be more flexible and convenient, and you can weld over long distance up to 80 meters.